Yeah, man, I don't be messing around, dude. I just turned the whole damn thing off. Turn the whole house off. I don't play around. There ain't nothing getting there. Ain't nothing gonna get me. Alright, good people. This is D-Train. I'm just basically taking a picture. I wanted to say something. The pressure switch stopped working. As you can see, you may not be able to see it, but you can see the difference between that and that. That's kind of burnt down. So I guess I could sand it down, but what I did is bought another one, start from anew, because we had a leak that we had to fix, and this was kind of working overtime. So these are the ground wires. I'm gonna take those off. Those are, as you can see, this side is connected to the outsides, and this side is connected to the insides. So anyway, I'm gonna take this thing off, put that one on, see if the water comes on and off like it's supposed to, and if it does, it's a major win. Success story. Let's go. Okay, I remember what the problem was before, was that this part was connected with that other part before, and so I had to get somebody to take it off. So this part came off with it. This time I used these two tools right here, whatever they're called, and whatever. Anyway, and I just kind of worked it because it didn't take too much, because it had just been broken last time, and that wasn't long ago. So got this off. I unloosed those screws already. Now I'm about to put some of this little white sticky tape around it, so it doesn't, it kind of helps it seal a little bit around there. And then I'm going to tighten it up, hook those wires up. I'm going to try to take a picture. Alright, just in time, man. These mosquitoes are starting to eat me up. It's getting a little bit drier, stopped raining and stuff. But look, this even fits on here properly, and it closes and it screws in properly there. Looks all good. So now all I got to do is turn the water on. Turn the electric on, but I'm going to clean this stuff up real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so got to get back in here, turn the electricity on. Yeah, man, I don't be messing around, dude. I just turned the whole damn thing off. Turn the whole house off. I don't play around. There ain't nothing getting there. Ain't nothing going to get me. Okay, so turn that on. It looks like it is slowly rising. It is. Okay, so this is a 3050 pump. This is a 3050 pump. So it's gonna fill up. It should fill up to 50 pounds. Okay. And after that it'll shut off. Now if you have leaks and stuff, it's just gonna keep on going back down until it gets down to 30. Did I say 30, 50, or 20? I don't know, whatever it is. It's a 30, 50. it's just gonna keep going back down and then cutting on and off. And that's what happened until we got somebody who knew what they were doing to come in here and clog up some of these leaks. So boom. So looks like it's losing pressure again, so either there's some water on somewhere in there or there's a leak. See, 30, 50. It's gonna fill up again. Probably a tank. That tank probably is filling back up. I'm just gonna turn that tank off because it doesn't need to be on anyway, probably. So that way that thing isn't cutting on and off. Plus I'm gonna check to see if anything's on in here. If something's on, then I'm just cutting the water off anyway until they fix everything. But as you can see, it's working. Boom. Another success story. Waterworks. So let's turn that off. Let's turn that water off until they figure some things out.